Are you looking for the best spirit levels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best spirit levels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Stanley Fatmax Pro Torpedo 250mm magnetic level. One of the world's best-known DIY brands, Stanley make an incredible range of tools for DIYers and professionals alike. Their 250mm Extreme Torpedo Scaffold level is a measuring tool that features some clever tricks up its sleeve. Constructed from strong die-cast aluminum, the torpedo shape is specially designed to take up only a small amount of space. The 3 vials are all easily visible, especially the central one that is held inside magnified glass. What I really like about this spirit level is the rotating vial on one end. If you want to check a precise angle or set something out at any angle between 0 and 108 items, simply turn the dial. It's a handy tool that you'll find plenty of uses for. Up next in the 4th place is the Ox Tools Ox P24412 Pro Level 1200mm. Australian firm Ox Tools have been creating robust and clever bits of kit since 1974. Their hand tools are loved by DIYers and professionals equally. And the Ox P24412 Pro Level 1200mm won't disappoint either group. Decked out in Ox Tools is recognizable bright blue. This is a level that's ideal for those big leveling jobs. Made from quality extruded aluminum, the 1200mm length is more than enough for big building projects and has 3 vials for checking levels. There's a pair of rubberized handles cut out of the level itself that make it easy to carry around and non-slip in any weather conditions. You get a pair of polypropylene end caps as well that should keep everything safe from the expected knocks and drops on site. What sets this apart as one of the best long spirit levels available right now is the clever cutout. There's a hole cut into the base of the level, which means you can view the vial and bubble from 2 sides. It's a handy feature you probably never knew you needed. The 3rd product on our list is the Bosch PLL1P Laser Spirit Level. German tool heroes Bosch make some of the best DIY and professional spirit levels. Making up part of their green line of DIY measuring tools is the PLL1P Laser Spirit Level. It's a compact and handy aluminum spirit level that would be an improvement to any toolkit. Fitting easily in the palm of my hand, it's a slimline level that doesn't take up too much room. Measuring just under 150mm, it's ideal for getting into tight spots. There are a pair of small vials that give you horizontal and vertical readings, but that's not the clever part of this device. What sets this apart from the competition is the bright red laser line that you can shine from the end of the level. You simply line up the bubble in the vial, then project a perfectly straight line across the wall. You can use the wall mount to fine adjust the laser line to any angle you want, which is handy. Second on our list is the Bosch Professional 1600A16 250mm spirit level with magnet system. The Bosch Professional range of tools and accessories are some of the most reliable and trustworthy on the market. If you need a super reliable level in a small package, this 25cm top quality spirit level from Bosch is pretty much unbeatable. Constructed from die-cast aluminum and protected with shock-absorbing end caps, this is a sturdy and accurate spirit level. You get 2 vertical and 1 horizontal vial of UV-resistant liquid that are readable from both the side and the top of the tool. What makes this spirit level so convenient though must be the magnets. There are 3 strong ferrite magnets embedded in the body, making it a hands-free piece of kit. It's probably the last spirit level you'll ever need to own. Finally, the top product on our list is the Semlos Multipurpose Laser Level with measuring tape. Semlos make a bit of everything, from homewares to torches. They also make spirit levels that feel more like James Bond gadgets. This multipurpose laser level is packed full of clever tools that should make hanging pictures and getting shelves level a piece of cake. If you want to use this 200mm long plastic tool as a standard spirit level, there are 3 vials to choose from. They're easy to read and will tell you if you're on the level in 3 dimensions. Need to take a quick measurement? Pull out the 2.5 meters tape measure from the end. You can never have enough tape measures in a workshop. But if you want to level up and use a laser, you can project an accurate red line onto the wall in front of you. There are 3 modes to choose from: a horizontal line, a vertical line, and a cross. It's not self-leveling like a standalone laser level, but you can use the spirit levels to get the device straight. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.